Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about French loan words in English or French elements or influences into English. There is usually a question on French loan words, French influences or French borrowings into English in university examinations. So, on the request of a huge number of students, I am going to discuss French borrowings, French loan words into English today. In 1066, the Norman conquest makes a history of England. Norman conquest is a historic event in the history of England. It marks the rule of the French over England for a long time. So, it is natural that French will come into use in English language. Most of the French words appeared in English over the centuries following the Norman conquest in 1066, when England was under the rule and dominion of the French. William the Conqueror invaded British Isles in 1066. The French distributed land and property to the Norman, Britain, Flemish and French soldiers. Consequently, Old French became the language of culture and administration, increasing into Anglo-Norman French. Most of the population of England continued to use the Anglo-Saxon language, but it was influenced by the language of the ruling elite class, resulting in doublets. Consider, for example, the words for the meats eaten by the Anglo-Norman nobility and the corresponding animals raised by Anglo-Saxon peasants and farmers. Beef for ox, mutton, sheep, veal, calf, pork, pig, or pairs of words pertaining to different registers. Language, commerce, start, continued to go on, disengage, withdraw, encounter, meet, vend, sell, purchase, buy, commerce, trade. Words of French origin often refer to more abstract or elaborate notions than their Anglo-Saxon equivalents. Liberty, freedom, justice, fairness, and are therefore less frequent use in everyday language. This may not, however, be the case for all English words of French origin. Take, for example, some of the most common words in English: able, chair, city, country, different, fine, fruit, journey, justice, just, part, people, person, place, real, stay, table, travel, use, vary, wait, etc. After the rise of Henry Plantagenet to the throne of England, other forms of dialectal French may have gained influence to the detriment of Anglo-Norman French, notably the variants of Anjou, where the house of Plantagenet came from, and possibly Poitevin, the tongue of Eleanor of Aquitaine, with the English claim to the throne of France. The language, the influence of the language in use at the royal court of France in Paris increased. The cultural influence of France remained strong in the following centuries, and from the Renaissance onwards, borrowings were mainly made from Parisian French, which became the de facto standard language of France. Norman rule of England had a lasting influence on British society. Words from Anglo-Norman or Old French are terms related to chivalry, homage, liege, peasant, vassal, villain, and other institutions, bailiff, chancellor, council, government, mayor, minister, parliament, the organizations of religion such as abbey, clergy, cloister, diocese, friar, mass, parish, prayer, preach, priest, sacristy, vestments, vestry, vicar, the nobility such as baron, count, dame, duke, marquis, prince, shah, and the art of war such as armor, baldric, dungeon, bulwark, mail, portcullis, rampart, surcoat. The Norman origin of the British monarchy is still visible in expressions like prince, regent, heir, apparent, prince royal, where the adjective is placed after the noun, like in French. Heraldry words such as feudalism, socialism, etc. Exotic animals such as lion, leopard, antelope, giraffe, camel, elephant, dolphin, etc. Military terms such as army, artillery, battalion, bivouac, brigade, corps, combat, marine, morale, officer, pistol, revolver, etc. Military ranks such as admiral, captain, colonel, corporal, general, lieutenant, sergeant, etc. politics and economics such as money, treasury, exchange, commerce, finance, liberalism, plebiscite, regime, sovereignty, state, administration, bureaucracy, constitution, justice, jurisdiction, district, etc. Law such as justice, judge, jury, attorney, court, case, etc. Diplomatic words such as at sea, charge, envy, embassy, chancery, diplomacy, communique, accord, artery, alliance, passport, protocol, etc. Arts such as arts, music, dance, drama, theatre, author, paint, etc. are taken from French. Thus, French had deep influence over English language during the centuries. Thanks a lot.